In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can allow others to share your post here on Facebook. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android device, and in the bottom right corner, go ahead and select the menu icon. From here, scroll down and you'll see Settings and Privacy. Open that up and then tap on Settings up at the top. Now scroll down on this page until you see Audience and Visibility. You might have to scroll down a little bit in order to actually see this tab, but once you are on this tab, you're going to want to select Profile and Tagging. Within that setting, you're going to see the option to allow others to share your post to their stories. Make sure that this is actually toggled on, and people can now share your future post. If you only want to allow sharing for a specific post, go ahead and go back to your profile by just selecting Profile down at the very bottom and find whatever post that might be. In this case, let's go ahead and pretend the post that I want to do is this one right here. Go ahead and select the 3 lines. Go ahead and select the 3 dots in the top right corner of that post specifically and select Edit Privacy and just make sure you have this set to public. You could also set it to friends. It doesn't necessarily matter. As soon as you do that though, go ahead and hit save. And just like that, that specific post is going to be shareable, or your entire profile is going to be shareable quick and easy. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.